Welcome.
Welcome.
Hello, welcome back, dear viewers, dear followers to zankinglish. Now we move on to reading part, which is entitled penpals. Have you got any penpals? Do you know what penpal means? Where is he or where is she from? So first, what's a penpal? A penpal or a penfriend is a person with whom you form a friendship by regularly exchanging letters or messages. Typically, pen pals are people who live far away from each other, often in different countries, and they may never actually meet in person. They get in contact through emailing, messaging, instant messages. Okay, for pre-reading questions, we've got two questions. First, do you have a pen pal? Number two, where is he from or where is she from? Okay, now with the reading task, here are 4 pen friend ads. Read them attentively and fill in the missing information in the chart. First, pause and then answer. Don't look at the answers before you give yours, right?
Hello, my name's Amanda. I'm a student from Liverpool, England. I'm 16. I like John Travolta. He's my favorite actor. And my number 1 film of all time is Face Off. What about you? Write to Kate Johnson, box number 218.
Hi there. I'm Tim from Johannesburg. I'm 15. My favorite actress is Angelina Jolie. My favorite film of all time is Catwoman. Jolie is really fantastic in it. Write and tell me about yourself. Write to Tim Hamilton, box number 356.
Hi, I'm Jalil from Tunis, Tunisia. I'm 15. My number 1 movie star is Mel Gibson. My favorite movie of all time is Braveheart. I think Mel Gibson's really good in it. What's a favorite movie? Write to Jalil Chabi, box number 749.
Hi, my name is Ingrid and I am 16. I'm from Germany. My favorite star is Leonardo DiCaprio, which is an Italian name, but Leonardo DiCaprio is not from Italy. He's an American actor and he's really cool. Please write soon. Write to Ingrid Schneider, box number 101.
In case you don't know these people, they are very good American actors. All of them are actors.
And now for homework. So, tell us about yourself a little bit. How old are you? Where are you from? What's your favorite movie and star? And where do you live?
Hey everyone, thanks so much for tuning in to zankinglish. We're thrilled to have you here. If you're enjoying the content and want to keep learning and improving your English with us, there are a few simple ways you can support the channel. First, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a new video. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. It really makes a difference. We also love hearing from you, so please drop some encouraging comments below. Your feedback and kind words truly motivate us. If you know anyone else who could benefit from our lessons, please share our videos with your friends and family. Any questions or thoughts? Let us know in the comments. Thanks again for being part of our amazing community. See you in the next lesson.